Oh my gosh, I am so excited to share this tip with you guys. If you are a fan of diamond painting and of pixels, because I know a lot of diamond painters have tried pixels and they really like it. My whole issue is I am bad with tweezers. I think that I have chubby hands and tweezers just aren't it for me. So I was working on this kit a little bit and then I put it aside, and honestly I kind of forgot about it. But then I'm following Pixyls on Instagram and I saw like the new stuff that they have in their shop, and it is amazing, and there's like licensed art from pixel artists. Okay, just go check them out. Anyways, to the point. The hack is using a diamond painting pen to pixel. Okay, I know it sounds crazy, but it does work. So I have this pen, and yes, you don't need a fancy pen like this. This is from Enabler's Outpost. You can just use like a kit pen, like the pen that comes in a kit. And then I filled it with Randa's Crafty Corner putty. I don't think you need fancy putty, and I think you can probably get away with using the diamond painting wax that comes in diamond painting kits. So the free wax and the free pen that you get with a kit probably works. But what you need to do is, if you're using a color, make sure that you have a little bit of room. So you probably want to use like 4 or 6 squares before you start using a diamond painting pen. So use your tweezers for 4 or 6 squares. Basically, you just need a free little area. And I'm saying you need a free little area because you take your pen, you pick the square that's close to like the open area, you dab it on top, and then you simply like just slide the square, and then you can see me sliding the square actually picked up the square, so you can see it on the end of my pen. And then what you do is you go to your pixel canvas or whatever you want to call it, your grid, and then you just press down very lightly but firmly. And so now, as you can see, that is there. So again, take your pen, put it on a square that's close to the little opening that you've created, slide it so it picks up on your pen, and then put it on your canvas. And again, you can like, if you screw up and it's crooked or whatever, you can actually use your pen to correct it. And I found that I just like using a pen better because it's more ergonomic. Oh my God, I can't even say the word ergonomic. It's ergonomical. I can't say the word, okay? Don't make fun of me. It's ergonomic. It just like is more comfortable. And I found that when I was like moving the squares with the applicator or the tweezers, I found that I was denting the stickers, probably because I am heavy-handed to begin with, and I'm a diamond painter, so I'm used to like pressing really hard because diamonds or drills are like resin, so they don't get dented. But I just kept denting the stickers, and I was so mad at myself. I was like, why did I do that? Okay, it's so ugly. Yeah, so basically, like, try it. If you are a diamond painter, you have a diamond painting pen, fill it with wax and try it. I did try and use multi-placing, and I was like, I wonder if I can multi-place, because I like doing shortcuts when it comes to crafts. I don't know why, okay? But I can't, like, I can't figure out how to multi-place using Pixyls. But this is just a hack, so if you already have a diamond painting pen, I highly recommend trying it. It has made, like, this, like, I have gotten so much done just like in the past 5 minutes of pixeling. I think I got like this dark color here done, and I'm like, this is going by so much faster. Let me like power through this kit. But if you like Pixyls, you want to see more of Pixyls, I do have an unboxing. This was actually sent to me from the owner, so thank you again, Rachel. Check her out. She does have a YouTube channel, and it's really interesting to see Pixyls growing. Like, she got an office, and then she got a bigger office, and she's hiring like her first employee, and now she might move to another office. Like, she is growing hardcore, and I am so happy for her. So make sure you go and check out the Pixyls YouTube channel and follow them on social. Go to their website. They're so like, okay. Also, part of me thinking about this hack was, how can I make Pixyls go faster for me? Because there's this huge pixel image that I really want to get. I'm gonna get it next time if I can like power through this and the stickers I get. But it is huge and it is beautiful and like all the art. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna go. Okay, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified when I do get my order, because I will be uploading an unboxing of my new order, and hopefully by then in that video I will include the progress that I've made on this, which I'm gonna make a lot of progress tonight because I'm gonna be using a diamond painting pen. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have tried Pixyls below, comment down below. And if you do want to try this, I highly recommend it. If you are a diamond painter and you already have this, comment down below all the things. Let me know if you tried Pixyls, want to try Pixyls, what your thoughts are. I think this is just gonna like game changer for me. Okay, bye guys.